Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today we're going to be taking a look at a cordless handheld vacuum by auto accessory company Auxito. I am very excited for this product in particular, as with a 2-year-old and 4-year-old, my car is basically always in some state of disaster. So this will be awesome to have so I can handle messes on the go and keep my car in hopefully a much more pristine state. Auxito did provide this product to me to do a review on, so first of all, thank you so much for that, Auxito. If you are familiar with my channel, you know they also provided me with some tire pumps a few weeks ago that I did a video on, so I'll link those now. Definitely worth checking out. They are super high quality products that both my wife and I have been really enjoying, so I am also very excited to see what they have in store for me with this new vacuum. They have a ton of different accessories and car parts, so I will also link their full webpage in the description down below. Definitely worth checking out. And if you are interested in the product we discussed in the video today, or anything else they have on their site, they did provide me with a discount code, especially for my viewers. If you use the code mightymax, all one word to check out, you can get 15% off your entire order. So definitely use that. It does support this channel and also ensures you're getting the best possible deal. Also, if you are enjoying this video, a friendly reminder to hit that subscribe button. Doing so goes a long way in supporting this channel and ensuring I continue to make content like you're watching today. All right, with that, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so here is the box that the Auxito Portable Vacuum comes in. We have all the features listed on the outside, and similar to the other pumps that I've received from Auxito, it is a nice package that gives you all the feature outline on the box. This has both vacuum features as well as pump and inflation abilities, so that's awesome that you can use this for a bunch of different purposes. It is called the 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So let's get right into the box and see what comes in here. First thing you have here is this little white box inside the box that appears to be all of our vacuum accessories. Alright, first of all, we have a nice soft carrying case for your vacuum and all of its accessories, which is great because as you can see, it comes with a lot. We have our little user manual. We have various adapters depending on if you're using it to inflate something, to vacuum. We have our filter. We have a USB-A to USB-C charger, and then various other adapters that also look like they could be for different types of inflation. And the last thing in the box is the 4-in-1 vacuum itself. And you can see this has a really nice compact design. I would say it's about a foot in length and has lots of plastic on it. So let's go ahead and take some of this plastic off here so we can see what it looks like without all the protective wear on it. All right, there you go. You see up here we have the little chamber where all the dirt will collect when you're using the vacuum. Down here you have our power button. And in the back we have our USB-C port to charge, as well as what looks like exhaust while the vacuum is powered on to move air. Let's see if it turns on. There you go, goes right away. So I don't know if you just saw that there, but it has two separate settings. It has a standard and a max setting. So as far as setting this up, this twists off, and you can see inside here there is a filter already in place. When this gets too dirty, we'll be able to replace it with this one. So it is nice that they do include two separate filters so that you don't have to run out and buy one as soon as this gets filthy. As for how the adapters work, if you need to use this when you're going to vacuum, you simply press this in, and then you can turn it on. And you're now able to use this accessory. For inflation, on the other hand, you actually flip this completely over, and these various inflation adapters fit into the back. And once they're in, once you tap, and it actually uses the exhaust you're getting from the vacuum side to inflate whatever you need. So it has that dual function available in this. And it's really great compact size. So let's put this all in the bag so I can take it to charge and then demo it on the car itself to see how well this cleans everything up. If I'm touting around 2 toddlers in my car, It's actually pretty filthy right now, so this is a much needed accessory for my Tesla. So very excited to use that and see how much it picks up off the floor and the seats from all the food and dirt that my kids carry into the car. So let's get this unbagged and let's go test this out on the car now. So this product is about as straightforward as it gets. You simply attach your desired adapter, turn it on, and attack the area that you want to clean. For the dirt I was dealing with in my car, I used the brush adapter and also set the vacuum to max suction functionality versus the lower eco mode. This seemed to work the best to get to those really worked in dirt stains. I also through use realized that you can actually adjust the brush down, which gives you a type of crevice tool so you can get to hard to reach places with the vacuum. Definitely a nice feature to have, and you get it without having to lug around a completely separate adapter for the vacuum, which is great because you really want this whole package to be as compact as possible since you're on the go. So let's take a quick look at how this all worked in practice and how well this did at cleaning up my car mats. So as you just saw, the vacuum works incredibly well, especially considering its size. It picked up as much dirt and debris as I'd expect when I use a shop vac in my car, which is, again, pretty incredible in such a small package. Honestly, if I wanted to get my weather mats any cleaner, I would have had to actually spray and wipe them down. I did use the max suction mode the entire time I was doing my cleaning, but I do suppose the eco mode could come in handy for much lighter messes. Battery life for my entire clean was pretty solid. It just dropped down 1 bar during that cleaning, which was great to see. I do believe that this particular model is supposed to last 20 minutes on a charge for max mode and 30 minutes if you use eco mode. And again, it comes with a USB to USB-C charger, so if you're on the go and you need more battery to get a mess cleaned up, you can definitely just plug it into your car and charge it that way. There was also plenty of room in the dirt container for doing all of the mats in my car, which is awesome. And emptying it is incredibly simple. You pop it open, you dump it in the trash, and then you're ready to go to either store it or continue cleaning. Now, this is a great product for anyone who's trying to keep their car clean on the go, but especially for parents with young children. The amount of pretzels, Cheerios, crumbs that end up all over my car every single time my kids get in is honestly pretty incredible in and of itself. And having this vacuum readily available and within reach allows me to hit those messes as they come, which will keep my car a lot cleaner for a lot longer. This will delay the amount of deep cleans I have to do and will really just make the car look a lot more premium day to day. And that doesn't even touch on all the other ways that you can use this to blow air or inflate things. If you have children, or if you're someone who does a lot of recreational activities, there's a lot of times where having a handheld pump so you're not manually blowing things up would be great. The fact that this vacuum has that functionality and in such an innovative design where you just attach an adapter on the exhaust is really awesome to see, and I'm excited to have the ability to use that when I do things like water sports or camping or anything where you need to inflate something on the go. It really just adds to the many use cases that exist for this product. So all that to say, Auxito definitely hit it out of the park with another great car accessory. I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to stay on top of their messes, keep their car pristine, and just add another dimension of functionality to the tools that they have at their disposal. Again, if you're interested in this product or anything else Auxito has to offer, please remember to use my discount code mightymax at checkout to get that 15% off. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. If you did enjoy this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.